We're at Hardy Exotics in Penzance. And what a welcome. Some beautifully massive tetrapanaxes. Just got to find the entrance now.
Over there, down there.
This is what I'm talking about. I'm definitely going to be buying something here. Stunning example of an aeonium. Incredible. Wow. This is Fuchsia Boliviana. Looks amazing. It's not going to get through a UK winter, certainly not in Milton Keynes, but may do well in the greenhouse. And they've got some smaller ones which are only £12.50 here, so I'm definitely going to take a punt on them. It's one of the first greenhouses I've come to. Some fresh looking plants in here. Begonias. More unusual looking begonias. And this thing, whatever this is, it just has such weird shaped leaves. Let's find out what it is. Display plant, not for sale. A Butalon. They've got nice flowers as well. Brugmansia. Giant Euphorbia, Euphorbia stygiana. There's some real nice plants in here. Very reasonable prices as well. I'm not sure what this is, but I really like this as well. What's an arum? That is absolutely enormous. And there's a shady area down here with lots more plants. So this is like kind of my dream area at the moment. All these beautiful impatiens for some really, really good prices. I'm going to be picking up some, especially some of this larger one here. Oh wow, look at the size of that one. It's like a shrub. Impatiens Balancy. Oh, Some more beautiful Penzance down here. Where's Left gone with that trolley? Oh, these are all persicarias.
This is an interesting persicaria. Alphas mollusks.
Oh wow, these are the ones that they had that were not for sale. What funny. Ooh, interesting. These impatiens are unreal. The flowers look like boiled sweets. I don't know if they're hardy, half hardy, or not hardy at all. But I am definitely going to be buying one of these. Such a beautiful greenhouse. A real shame I'm actually running out of storage. Let's have a little quick whiz round and see what we can see. We can definitely see that. How beautiful. These agaves. Oh my word. You can see Left's interest has been
Oh well, I mean, just look at the blooms on that. What is this? What is it? Yeah, look. This plant has an unbelievable wow factor. I think this might be the Bescornaria eucoides. Zones 1 to 4. But that's gorgeous. That is. Look at that. Just look at the different tones of red and yellow you get on that. That's a lovely shrub. Looks quite woody.
oh, these are massive. See, I haven't seen these ones yet. Oh, there's quite a array of different cannas here as well. Oh, I'm going to have a little shop around here in a bit and see what I manage to pick up. I've got my eyes darting to the left and darting to the right. I don't want to be missing anything. Oh, look at this. Look at this. £12.50. I don't even know what it is. Arbutelon. This looks like that's been printed. Some very reasonable prices in here. Let's get a bit of a shop on and see what we can pick up anyway.